The third gen swap kit is basically a turbo manifold swap out. You replace the stock manifold and the stock puny turbo with an aftermarket S300 performance turbo. It lines up with your factory air intake box, the intercooler tubing, and then obviously the exhaust, factory cast exhaust elbow out to your exhaust system. Easy swap, big power. In my personal experience, if you're looking for an upgraded turbo for your 6.7, go with the DPS 3rd gen swap kit. Has less parts than a 2nd gen, but same performance level. Save you some bones, and if you add the Turbinator VGT to it, it's even better. Easy swap, big power.